For over a decade, Fokis has been a leading integrated manufacturer and global supplier specializing in adhesive technology. We believe that the right adhesive is more than just a product, it's a critical component of your success. That's why our core mission is not only to provide reliable, high-quality adhesives but to partner with our clients to engineer custom bonding solutions that enhance their products and processes. Our comprehensive product portfolio includes a versatile range of spray adhesives, wood adhesives, footwear adhesives, and hot melt adhesives. These are trusted across diverse industries for the manufacturing of upholstered furniture, solid wood furniture, mattresses, cabinetry, luggage, and footwear. With more than 10 years of dedicated growth, we have established a strong global footprint. Our products are exported to markets across Asia like Bangladesh, Vietnam, Malaysia, Thailand, Cambodia, the Middle East like Dubai, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Africa like Kenya, Senegal, Ethiopia, Ghana, South Africa, and Latin America, earning the deep trust and recognition of our clients worldwide. Struggling to find the perfect adhesive for your application? Let our expertise be your advantage. Contact us today, and our team will work closely with you to analyze your product characteristics and process requirements, delivering a comprehensive, customized solution designed for optimal performance.